UCMD katanad MEECL usanji goyal hak arpusaw tarik yayong ula pentip ba kajing maramot bat kajing snapen klan ya kajing king Umiam labu thong ban la ban pendap no hapo jong kalai po tarik ubena Jylliew ban wan ya kani kajing maramot bat kajing snapen klan ya kani kajing king Umiam kabadang yaid menta syakman la pentre da kadam Rehabilitation Improvement Project DRIP kathong kabakong san jong ka DRIP ha kaba pentre ya kani ka project kalong na kabenta ban maramon kumju ban penklan bat penjanai kidam na kabenta ka jingsngan kijing pentre ki bakong san tam hapo ka DRIP ka kantup halor ka jingle ya ka drilling bat grouting na kabenta kani kadam bat ban maramot ya ki jing orpan na lor ki benta ki bayade ba ka hydromechanical work na kalyang ugoyal upentip ba haduk manta lala ban pendap kumba 100% ki benta ki bayade bat ka drilling bat grouting ki bayade bat ka jing maramot ya kani ka jingkieng Umiam bat kat kum ka kaipot balayo lasyam ba ka jingpei kaladuna bha na kadam ulaong ya kani ka jing pentre lakmi lenti ba an la ban pendap no hapo jang kalai pho tarik Jylliew uban wan kata ya kaba an la pat ban pli pura ya kani ka jingkieng Umiam na kabenta kalit kawan juki kali na baro arliang kisurang ha kabayade ba ka jingpan klan biang ya kipaya ki bakersyan ya ka jingkieng ugoyal ulaong da ka ba pensyong nong rimling ba ka technical report balaay da ka IIT Guwahati bat hadien ka jingjurip benya kani ka jingkieng sa sisien pat kalawan pai biang sya kadur kumba kalong nadu balate ya ka watla kata la pentip pat bahapo kalai pho tarik Jylliew arhajar arpho sa tangki kali ki bahapo saw metric ton ansya banya nya kani ka jingkieng bat hadien kalai pho tarik Jylliew tangki kali ki bahapo khat ar metric ton ansya banya banla pentikna ya ka jingsngan ka bani islam jong kani ka jingkieng ya ka jingkieng Umiam lashna nadu usnam khat khandai spa san pho pra batlala ban pendap ya ka house nam khat khandai spa ndripo san baro shikata posnam kani ka jingkieng kalahap kerda ya ka jingya jengki kali baklam sange bat baret bat bahe bat kumju ru ki bakit mar hadu bakala shong senjor bat bu jingma nama karta kabala slamba.
As all of you are aware that we have taken up the works on the Umiam Dam and Bridge which is about the rehabilitation works and the retrofitting works. As far as the dam part is concerned, as you are aware that we are doing the grouting and drilling works on the dam part. So we have completed almost 60% of the work as far as dam is concerned, and the preliminary reports which we have received after this drilling and grouting work has been done to whatever part it has been done. So those reports are encouraging, and the seepage levels through various technical parameters which we are monitoring have gone down. We are further doing the studies on it, and I'm hopeful that after this entire work is done, this dam rehabilitation part, which is as per the standards set by the Central Water Commission, I think we'll be in a position to meet those standards. And this part, as I mentioned, another say roughly around 40% work is still remaining. So we are contemplating to complete it within 30th of June, which is the deadline which we have kept earlier. So I don't think that we will be overshooting that deadline. So this work should be completed within June. We have, with great difficulty and technical expertise, we have lifted the portion of those spans of the bridge to see the status of the bearings below the bridge, and we have taken technical report from the IIT as well as the other technical persons. So we have gone for the refurbishment of the bridge, of the bearings in situ only, and that work has been completed as per the technical go-ahead given by the experts from IIT Guwahati, and now we will be taking up the work for repairing of the expansion joints as well as relaying of the surface of the bridge. So these works also we are hopeful that we will be completing it within the time frame which we have given for houses, that is within June 2024. One part will remain, but that would not impact the public in the sense that that would be below the bridge. Once we are doing this exercise, we have came across certain more aspects of the bridge part for which we need to take up the rehabilitation work. For that, we are now involving IIT Guwahati, as well as there is one organization called CSMRS, which is Central Soil and Material Research Station, based in I think Delhi. So we are taking those experts, and we will be taking up that also, since we have now doing the entire as a package. So we will not leave that part also, so that the bridge also gains strength in terms of its lifetime. So that work we will be in a position to tender out maybe in next 1.5 months after we get the technical input from these organizations. But that will not impact the flow of the traffic, as I mentioned, that because that work will be basically under the bridge, which will not impact the general traffic movement. Till 30th of June, we have kept the earlier date as 25th of April, which is ending tomorrow, for the 4 metric ton vehicle, after the discussion with the experts and all. So this restriction up to 4 metric ton will continue till 30th of June. And after that, after this rehabilitation work and all, after we have discussed with in the government also, as well as with the experts, after that we will restrict it to 12 metric ton, so that the works which have been done, they remain there, and the rehabilitation, the retrofitting and refurbishment which we have done, they remain for a longer period, which we are contemplating. What we have completed in terms of refurbishment, because the replacements as such, once we have lifted the bridge, and based on the technical report from the IIT, that was not required, because they are in situ embedded into the bridge. So taking them out was technically not feasible, because it might have led to the weakening of the structure. So the existing bridges, bearings have been refurbished based on the technical inputs from the IIT Guwahati, and as of now they are okay. There is no problem. Towards the dam and the bridge, the package size is roughly around, I think it is within 30 crores. And as I'm mentioning that as we go ahead, and these are old structures which need to be tackled as and when the things come up, like in case of bearing. So the final cost will be within that package size. And the thing which needs to be added is, which I mentioned, that we will be taking up the rehabilitation of the bridge structure as such, which was not earlier thought of. But now, once we are doing the work, we have come across the expert opinion that there have been certain areas of weaknesses in the bridge also, which needs to be tackled. So that we will be tendering out very shortly.